Very good morning, class 8. So yes, we were doing the chapter direct and indirect speech part 1, that is chapter number 18, right? Part 1. So in the previous lecture, we have discussed about the change in the tenses, and I have told you that the reporting verb is in the past tense. So the tense of the verb in the reporting speech is changed into the corresponding past tense as under. So we have discussed all that if the it is in the reported speech is in the simple present, it changes into simple past. Present continuous changes into past continuous. Present perfect changes into past perfect. Present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. And simple past changes into past perfect. Past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Future tense changes into present conditional, and future continuous to conditional continuous, right? So likewise we have discussed this, that how the the verb in the reported speech changes. So now we have to discuss that no change in the tense. No change in the tense. तो कहाँ पे चेंज नहीं होता है टेंस? इफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज इन द प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर टेंस. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब जो है हमारा, जो कि हम सेड अक्सर होता है, दैट इज इन द पास्ट टेंस. बट अगर वो प्रेजेंट टेंस में है या फिर फ्यूचर में है, फ्यूचर टेंस में है, ठीक है, प्रेजेंट टेंस में है या फ्यूचर टेंस में है, तो जो टेंस है रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का, इट विल नेवर चेंज. सो द वर्ब in the reported speech will not change. ठीक है, तो वो चेंज नहीं होगा अगर हमारा रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब प्रेजेंट टेंस में है या फ्यूचर में, लाइक सेज या विल से. अगर ऐसा लिखा हुआ है रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब में, तो जो हमारा वर्ब है रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का, वो चेंज नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही सेज आई हैव मिस्ड द ट्रेन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही सेज I have missed the train. Okay. So now here it is in the present tense. So it will be like this only. He says that I have missed the train. I have missed the train. It will be simple as that. Sorry, I में गलती हो गई. He has missed the train. Phrases तो change होंगे, pronouns तो change होंगे. He has missed the train. Now, if it is in the if it expresses the universal truth, if it expresses a universal truth or a habitual fact, यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है, हैबिचुअल फैक्ट है, तो भी जो वर्ब है वो बिल्कुल चेंज नहीं होता. सो द वर्ब इन इट डज नॉट चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेंस ऑफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. सो द वर्ब in it does not change according to the tense. ठीक है, जैसे कि अब मैं अगर हम लिखते हैं, शी सेड लाइट ट्रेवल्स इन द स्ट्रेट लाइन. she said light travels in the straight line. अब ये क्या है, ये एक यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ है, आपको भी मालूम है कि जो लाइट है साइंटिफिक फैक्ट है, साइंटिफिक फैक्ट तो प्रूव्ड होते हैं तो दे आर राइट. So light travels in the straight line. So it will be like she said that light travels in the straight line. Simple as that. She said that light travels in the straight line. That's it. Now, one more thing. When the modals are used in the reported speech, like might, could, would, should, ought to be, we explained it could be difficult to find the hotel. अगर हमारे modal verbs use होते हैं, if the modal verbs are used, means they do not change in the reported speech. Could, would, should, might, ought to. So they do not change. So they do not change. So the verbs, modal verbs do not change in reported speech. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक दिस. ये जो वर्ड्स हैं ये अगर हैं तो ये चेंज नहीं होते. जैसे शी सेड आई माइट अटेंड द पार्टी. शी सेड आई माइट अटेंड द पार्टी. So it will be in the same manner. She said that I का बन जाएगा she might attend the party. That's it, right? So now let's start with the exercise. Put the following into indirect speech using that as a conjunction. So have you tried solving it? Put the following, exercise number 1, page number 100. First one is, Nora says it is raining heavily. Now says, it is in the present tense, so that means the verb in the reported speech will not change. So it will be, I am only writing the answers. Nora says that it is raining heavily. Nora says it is raining heavily. Answer 2. The principal will say rules have to be followed at any cost. The principal will say. The principal will say that rules have to be followed at any cost. क्योंकि अगर फ्यूचर में है या प्रेजेंट में है तो टेंस जो है रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का वो चेंज नहीं होता है. the principal will say that rules have to be followed at any cost. So you can do this exercise in your notebooks. या आप अपनी notebooks में कर लीजिए, क्योंकि ये book में कहाँ लिखेंगे आप, because you have to write the full sentence. So you do the exercises in the notebooks. Sammy says, what he says, the new music teacher is an excellent flute player. Sammy says that the new excellent teacher is that the new music teacher is an excellent flute player. Now fourth one. The teacher has said no indiscipline can be tolerated in the school. The teacher has said. The teacher told. The teacher has said. The teacher has said. No indiscipline. The teacher has said है. The teacher has said that. The teacher has said that no indiscipline could be tolerated in the school. Fifth, the shopkeeper said all the goods in the shop are genuine. The shopkeeper said all the goods in the shop, all the goods in the shop are genuine. ये है हमारा present tense में. All the goods in the shop were genuine. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये are है means present tense में है, तो जो simple present tense है वो past tense में change हो जाता है. So all the goods in the shop were genuine. Simple. The station master said, that, इतना तो हमने ऐसे ही लिखना है, आगे पढ़ेंगे ध्यान से. The trains are running late because some tracks have been damaged by flood. The trains were running late because some tracks had been damaged by the flood. R का बन जाएगा verb. The trains were running late. Trains were running late. ठीक है? Because some tracks had been damaged by flood. Answer number 7. The old man said that a bad worksman always quarrels with his tools. अब जो ये है, ये एक कोट है, ये एक proverb है, तो ये चेंज नहीं होगा. The old man said that a bad worksman always quarrels with his tools. As this is a proverb, it's a quote, so it cannot be changed. So we cannot change its tense. So that is why it will be written as it is, right? Answer number 8. He said all the prayers must report in time. He said that all the players must report in time. Now here the must word is used, so it will not be changed, right? So the tense will not change. I read this for you, that the following words like modal verbs like might, could, would, should, ought to, these will not be changed. So he said all the players must report in time. Most of the people present in the court said the culprit did not deserve such a severe punishment. So most of the people present in the court said, most of the people present in the court said that most of the people present in the court said that the culprit, अब यहाँ है did not, the culprit did किसमें change हो जाएगा? Past में हो अगर did not, तो वो हो जाएगा perfect में. The culprit did not deserve. The culprit did not deserve है, तो means ये बन जाएगा did not. The culprit had not. Culprit had not deserved such a severe punishment. Culprit had not deserved such a severe punishment. Right, not. Now answer number 10. The police officer said, the police officer said that the accident could have been averted with a little caution. Now here the could is used. The accident could have been averted. It will be same. That the accident could have been averted. Could have been averted with a little caution. So with this we have completed this exercise. Now we move to exercise number 2. Change the following into indirect speech by appropriately changing or not changing the tense. So if it is necessary, we will change the tense, otherwise we will not. The teacher said, principal is calling you. The teacher said that the principal was calling you. Geeta said, Argentina has won the football match. Geeta said that Argentina had won the football match. Ramesh said, you came very early. Ramesh said that she came very early. Ali said, I was going to the market. Ali said that he was going to the market. He had been. Ali said that he was going to the market. He said, I shall go there. He said that he should go there. He said that I should go, he shall go there. He should go there. I said, you can't touch the ceiling. I said that he could not touch the ceiling. Now the second exercise is exercise number 2. Number 1. The teacher said the principal is calling you. The teacher said that the principal is का बन जाएगा was calling. The teacher said that principal was calling you है. The principal is calling you. The principal was calling him or her. Geeta said that Argentina has won the football match. That Argentina has का बन जाएगा had won the match. Ramesh said that you came very early. That I came very early. You came very early. I had come very early. Came है ना past tense into the past perfect. I had come very early. Answer number 4. Ali said I was going to the market. Ali said that he was I was going to the market. I was. Past continuous जो है past perfect. Ali said that he had been going to the market. He had been going to the market. क्योंकि जो past continuous है according to the rule past continuous इसमें है I was going to the market. So I का बन जाएगा he, was going का बन जाएगा had been going to the market according to the rule. 5th, he said I shall go there. He said that I should go there. Answer 6. I said you can't touch the ceiling. I said you can't touch the ceiling. I said that he couldn't touch the ceiling. He couldn't touch the ceiling. So with this we have completed. So tomorrow we will discuss with the changing time and place references. So you also read it yourself. Next comes the changing time and place. तो time और place कैसे change हो जाता है? Come to page number 101. Phrase in direct and indirect. Phrases और उसका equivalent हम क्या use करते हैं? Today use हो जाता है changes into that day. Today changes into that day. I saw him today means she said that she had seen him that day. I saw him yesterday means she had seen him previous day, the day before or previous day. The day before yesterday becomes 2 days before. The day before yesterday means कल जो बीत गया उससे पहला कल, उससे पहले वाला दिन, तो वो हो गया 2 days before. Tomorrow means coming day or the next day. The day after tomorrow means 2 days after, or in the 2 days later, 2 days time. Next week, month, next year हो जाएगा coming week या following week. Last week, previous month, previous year. I saw her a week ago. That he had seen her a week before. Ago का बन जाएगा before. I am getting a new car this week. So she said that she was getting a new car that week. Do you like this shirt? He asked that if he liked the shirt. Did नहीं आएगा. If I like the shirt. He asked, could I sit there? Here का बन जाएगा there. So change in personal pronouns also. Like he said, I'm doing my work. I changes into he. Am into was, and my बन जाएगा his. Like I am doing his work means he was doing his work. He said to me, you do not play well. He told me that I did not play well. Right? उसने मुझे कहा कि मैं अच्छे से नहीं खेलता. Pronouns of the third person. I said to him, he is very good boy. I told him, right, that he was a very good boy. Put the following in indirect speech. So we will continue tomorrow. So yes, I told you to do this exercise on page number 89. It was verbs followed by the preposition or phrasal verbs. So combination of verb and preposition is called a phrasal verb. जब हम एक वर्ब के साथ preposition लगा देते हैं तो वो हमारा phrasal verb बन जाता है. Preposition that is joined to verb is called a particle. और जो preposition हमारे verb के साथ join हुआ है उसे हम particle कहते हैं. For example, I was surprised to run into my old friend. Run into means टकरा जाना नहीं है यहाँ पे. Run into meeting by surprise or an unexpected meeting. Run into. So here run into means an unexpected or surprise meeting. This is a phrasal verb and the preposition into is a particle. और इसमें जो into लगा है run के साथ वो हमारा particle कहलाएगा. Also note that the actual meaning of run, which is different from its meaning in its phrasal verb. तो run का क्या meaning होता है? दौड़ना. अब यहाँ पे इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं आपके अपने friend के बीच में दौड़ पड़ा. No. Ran into या run into means when you meet somebody by surprise or unexpectedly. The prepositions following certain verbs allow the verbs to retain their actual meaning and also perform the function of showing the relationship with a following noun. I ran to my father for his advice in joining the media club. Here the verb ran has its actual meaning. यहाँ पे जो ran है उसका actual meaning कि मैं अपने father की तरफ भागा, father के लिए भागा. And preposition to shows the verb's relationship with the noun. यहाँ पे जो ran का मतलब है दौड़ना ही है कि मैं अपने father की तरफ भागा. किसके लिए? Advice in joining the media club. So I told you to do this exercise number 4. Go home and sleep on the matter before taking any decision. The cat sleep on its mat. So I hope you might have done this and I have explained you this exercise in yesterday's Zoom meeting also. So go home and sleep on the matter before taking any decision means इस मैटर के बारे में डिसीजन लेने से पहले यू जस्ट स्लीप ओवर इट मीन्स पहले अच्छी नींद ले लो, ध्यान से सोच लो, उसके बाद इसका डिसीजन लेना. स्लीप ऑन दिस मैट मीन्स सो जाना. सेकेंड सेंटेंस में इसका मीनिंग है सो गई, कैट्स सो गई. बट गो होम एंड स्लीप ऑन द मैटर बिफोर टेकिंग एनी डिसीजन मीन्स डिसीजन लेने से पहले इसको बहुत अच्छी तरह कंसिडर कर लेना. गवर्नमेंट वोक अप टू द प्रॉब्लम सो लेट. वोक अप टू द प्रॉब्लम सो लेट मीन्स बहुत देर से गवर्नमेंट ने इस मैटर को ध्यान से देखा. मीन्स वोक अप मीन्स इस मैटर को उन्होंने लिया, टेक इन कंसिडरेशन. दे वोक अप लेट टुडे, वो आज लेट जागे. यहाँ पे दोनों का मीनिंग डिफरेंट है. तो सिमिलरली डू दिस एक्सरसाइज. वी विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर डेफिनेटली.